Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down, embrace the love we found. For you and I, we're safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just stop?